I've got some content creator tips for Instagram, and I'm going to share them in this video. Let's talk about 3 ways that you can up your game on Instagram with the help of Adobe Express. Of course, you're going to love this. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist, content creator, and a proud Adobe Express ambassador. Hit subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips as part of a series. Now, let's jump right in. Adobe Express is awesome for many reasons, including the fact that you can improve your Instagram presence and strategy by using its features. Let's start with my first tip. Make content creation easier for yourself by starting from a template. Adobe Express is the perfect tool to create your own design, which can serve as a template. In fact, I'll show you one of mine. From the dashboard, I'll select a design that I use as a template on my own Instagram feed. Every so often, I'll post a variation of this reminder. It takes almost no time at all to duplicate this project by clicking the 3 dots at the top and selecting Duplicate and giving your new project a name. Then you'll give it a moment. And now we can create a new social media post by just changing the text because it's a template. And if you don't have a template yet, don't worry. There are thousands of amazing template options in Adobe Express. Just select the templates icon on the menu and go to Instagram posts, where you can find lots of awesome templates to start from, sorted by category to help you choose. So those are templates, and they'll help you create standout content quickly. Let's move on to my second tip. Here it is. Keep your brand consistent. Consistency is how you reinforce brand value and awareness. I often say, ideally, someone could cover up your social media handle, see the post, and know exactly who posted it, you. Consistency can be achieved with the help of Adobe Express. How? By being able to apply your brand in a single click. When I navigate to the design icon, I can apply brand, and my fonts and font colors will update automatically. These are already set under the Brands tab for me from the dashboard. And when I open my own brand here, you'll see logos uploaded, colors and fonts set, as well as page and video themes, and even surfaces. That's my second tip. Keep your brand consistent, even on Instagram. It will help you reinforce its value and keep you recognizable within the community that you're building online. I have one more tip for you. Get ready. A tip for any content creator right now is to save time by scheduling your content ahead. Thanks to Adobe Express, we can do that without even having to leave the app in Content Scheduler. With any project open, once it's saved, that you're ready to post or schedule on your Instagram feed, you'll see this little icon up here. It's going to open the Content Scheduler. Here we can plan, schedule, preview, and publish social posts across all of your channels. And if this is your first time using Content Scheduler, you'll want to get your social media channels connected. If I'm posting this on Instagram, I'd select that channel and then write a caption, something simple. Maybe I'll end my caption with an emoji. Why not? And by selecting this icon right down here, I can do that. Next, I'll select a publish date and time. Or you can remove the publish date to create an unscheduled post. This area is useful for content we know we want to publish, but we're not sure when. You can preview your post by clicking this button. I love seeing the way the content is actually going to look. It visualizes it exactly how it'll look when it posts. You can also schedule a first comment on Instagram down here, which is a great idea for increasing your engagement with relevant hashtags or asking your audience a question. That's an idea. Create your comment by adding hashtags and/or copy, then schedule your post as normal. This first comment will be automatically published along with your Instagram post. Finally, I love seeing my scheduled content at a glance in calendar view. Drag and drop functionality makes this easy to manage, which any savvy content creator will surely appreciate. From here, you can click on Post directly to make any adjustments on the post itself or its settings. Scheduling your content ahead of time can save you a ton of time compared to posting real time every day. With the help of Content Scheduler, now you can focus that time on engaging your audience, which is going to help you grow. There you have it, 3 content creator tips for Instagram. I can't wait for you to try Adobe Express for yourself. Don't forget to stay tuned to this channel for more actionable tips weekly to create more, create better, and create faster. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more great tutorials on this YouTube channel.